Hello, everybody. Welcome to DIY Mondays. Over here, you see DIY Mondays. I'm in the process of cleaning this up again. My daughter and I, we're going to have guests over, and this is my DIY station right here. And in this DIY station, I said I'm making a bird sanctuary outside on the Pond and Garden channel. So what I'm going to do is every DIY Monday, I'm going to be painting and making birdhouses. I'm going to put these birdhouses, I'm going to finish this. I'm going to stain this like this, and I'm going to put them around the bird sanctuary. And tomorrow we'll be putting up the hummingbird feeders. See if we get hummingbirds in the yard. So what I have to do is I have all sorts of feeders and stuff that I'm going to make up. I have this wood project that we're doing. This is a little bird feeder. You see this? We're doing that. Of course, we got this from Dollar Tree. And over here, I also have this birdhouse. And this one, I don't think I got this from Dollar Tree. I got this from Michael's. But I'll be looking for little birdhouses. I'll be painting them or staining them like this. You see? And of course you see this one. So I'll be painting all these up and they'll be going outside. This one, I don't know, I may use this on the lighthouse that I have. So, but this is what I have to do. Of course I have this, and I'm introducing this because every other Monday I'm going to be down here filming a video of the painting of a birdhouse, or making a shelf like that, and there'll be all sorts of stuff. So we put these back over here. These will be going out as soon as I stain them. I like the way they look. I'm not sure where I'm going to put that. I'll put that there for now. And I'm going to put this one here. And then I started to paint this for Christmas. We'll be finishing this up during Christmas season after Thanksgiving. We'll be getting into this. And we're doing a lot of DIY Monday videos for Christmas stuff. And if you look up over here, you see that? My son's fiance made that for us. And these are all stuffed animals and stuff like that that are in this basement. And it's another small step to cleaning it up. We got to it and cleaned it up again. And I brought a lot of stuff from upstairs down here. And I finally packed it away and everything else. Figured out what I'm going to get rid of and everything else, and it's going out. So we'll be doing this. We can put this up here like that. And then I wanted to show you this. See over there, there's another 3 shelves and the wood to make another one of these. And I have my thing for my paper towels and stuff like that. I want to show you these birdhouses that have been completed. What I'm going to do is put a little hole in it. I'll be selling them different colors and stuff like that. They will go up on the eBay site. This is This is gray and brown, green. See that? This will be going out. There's a little hook that goes in there. And then I have these down here, and I made this one is blue and black and brown. See? I'll be making all these up. And we got this one, which I have another one of. And if you're interested in these, I will tell you where to get them. Because I will seal them and stuff like that, and actually sell them. I want to get it out. This one. There we go. This one. This one. See, one like this. If you're interested in something like this, she'll be touching them up and everything else, and it'll be going out like this. If you're interested in them, I will let you know what they're going to be, and that will be at the end of the month. And of course, there's my paints down there and stuff. And up here, you saw that one. Up here, this one goes in here like this. So we'll put these back over here, and of course there's other ones in there. See that up there? So we'll be making these up, and if you're interested in any of them, you have to let me know. I have another one over here. I have a couple made up over here, and I'm going to put a beta. Yeah, I gotta show you this. Put this one on. Shut this one. I'm going to put a beta fish here. In this bowl right here. This. I'll make a little terrarium or whatever. And of course, I've got this one, and what I'll be doing to hang them up on the shepherd hooks, I will have little hooks on them. And they could be used for birdhouses and stuff like that. Then we'll be making bigger ones as well. So watch out for that. And of course, this is my DIY station. There's all my stuff in here. See all my stuff prepared and over here as well. Of course, this is my fish tank stuff, and you hear the things running. I drained some of the water out of the fish tank. Here's more stuff. That's where my tape went. Okay, so that's it, and this will be sealed and everything else. And here are the stakes. The first thing I'll be making next week will be another shelf like that to put stuff on. These are the things that I use. The wood. And I have the wood project to make the house for the lighthouse in the backyard. And of course, part of the DIY Monday project will be making that greenhouse and one for the front as well, and that will be in August. But for right now, starting next week, I'm going to paint this stuff, and there'll be signs and stuff like that saying, okay, this is the frog crossing or something like that. Watch out for pelicans. I got some ideas. So I have them in there, and I have all my paints over here. I'll show you, bring it down. These are all my paints and everything over here. We'll be setting this up next week and then doing a project. That's DIY Mondays. Don't forget to watch DIY Mondays and keep doing it. If you think you could do something, research it, go on YouTube, try it. You may be able to do some projects. There'll be all sorts of projects coming up on the DIY Monday channel. So until then, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. And this is DIY Mondays. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, all things are possible if you believe. You believe you can do something like this? These are available in Dollar Tree, Michael's and stuff, like for a couple of bucks. I'm going to cut up pallet wood and stuff like that and make birdhouses out of them. Watch for that too. So I'll see you in the next one. All things are possible if you believe. I believe you can do it. Don't forget to watch Pond and Garden. Don't forget to watch Fish Tank Thursdays to find out why the water's drained in the tanks. I'm going to do that now, and that will come up on Fish Tank Thursdays. I'll see you in the next video. Live streaming tonight at 9:35 Eastern, 8:35 Central, and 7:35 Mountain, 6:35 Pacific. I'll see you then. Till next time, Stephen F. signing off. I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget, try it. You can do it. All things are possible if you believe. I'll see you in the next one.